أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الله نور السماوات والأرض، مثل نوره كمشكاة فيها مصباح، المصباح في زجاجة، الزجاجة كأنها كوكب دري يوقد من شجرة مباركة زيتونة لا شرقية ولا غربية، يكاد زيتها يضيء ولو لم تمسسه نار، نور على نور، يهدي الله لنوره من يشاء ويضرب الله الأمثال للناس والله بكل شيء عليم. في بيوت أذن الله أن ترفع ويذكر فيها اسمه يسبح له فيها بالغدو والآصال، رجال لا تلهيهم تجارة ولا بيع عن ذكر الله وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة، يخافون يوما تتقلب فيه القلوب والأبصار، ليجزيهم الله أحسن ما عملوا ويزيدهم من فضله، والله يرزق من يشاء بغير حساب. والذين كفروا أعمالهم كسراب بقيعة يحسبه الظمآن ماء حتى إذا جاءه لم يجده شيئا ووجد الله عنده فوفاه حسابه والله سريع الحساب. أو كظلمات في بحر لجي يغشاه موج من فوقه سحاب، ظلمات بعضها فوق بعض إذا أخرج يده لم يكد يراها، ومن لم يجعل الله له نورا فما له من نور.
Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. The example of his light is like a niche within which is a lamp, the lamp is within glass, the glass as if it were a pearly, white star lit from the oil of a blessed olive tree, neither of the east nor of the west, whose oil would almost glow even if untouched by fire. Light upon light. Allah guides to his light whom he wills. And Allah presents examples for the people, and Allah is knowing of all things. Such niches are, in mosques which Allah has ordered to be raised and that his name be mentioned therein, exalting him within them in the morning and the evenings. Are men whom neither commerce nor sale distracts from the remembrance of Allah and performance of prayer and giving of zakah. They fear a day in which the hearts and eyes will, fearfully, turn about. That Allah may reward them according to the best of what they did and increase them from his bounty. And Allah gives provision to whom he wills without account. But those who disbelieved, their deeds are like a mirage in a lowland which a thirsty one thinks is water until, when he comes to it, he finds it is nothing but finds Allah before him, and he will pay him in full his due, and Allah is swift in account. Or, they are, like darknesses within an unfathomable sea which is covered by waves, upon which are waves, over which are clouds, darknesses, some of them upon others. When one puts out his hand therein, he can hardly see it. And he to whom Allah has not granted light, for him there is no light.
تلك آيات القرآن وكتاب مبين.
Tosin. These letters are one of the miracles of the Quran, and none but Allah alone knows their meanings. These are the verses of the Quran, and it is a book that makes things clear.